algebraic identities. First 8 identities I explained. In that, out of 8, first 4 already have learned in your previous class. That is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, and x plus a into x plus b. These are the first 4 identities already have learned. Then identity 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yesterday just I explained how we are getting this identity. Expanded form also explained. Am I clear, children? I told you people to go through this, note down in your notebook so you'll understand in a better way I said. And we are not giving any derivation for this identities. Only application of identities we are giving for the exam. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll discuss yesterday's homework. Yesterday's homework is completely based on, so they did not give a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square any question. They gave one question based on a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Then remaining questions they gave based on x plus a into x plus b. Am I clear, children? See yesterday's homework. First question, x plus 4, x plus 10. This is nothing but as a fourth identity. X plus 8, x minus 10, fourth identity. And 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Again, it is a fourth identity. And the fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. This is nothing but as a plus b into a minus b.
Ma'am, fourth identity is x plus a, x plus b.
No, Charan. See, y square, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Only side is
Second one, ma'am.
Second one, yeah. A value is 8, B value is minus 10. That you apply and find out.
Okay.
Okay. And the fourth and fifth question is completely based on a square minus b square. So we'll cross check our answer. I hope you all have done your homework. Just we'll cross check our answers. First one you'll be getting x square plus 10 plus 4 into x, 14x plus 10 4s are 40. X square plus 14x plus 40. Next, second one. Here, since a value is 8 and b value is minus 10, so 8 minus 10 is minus 2. It is x square minus 2x and 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. So in exam also you have to mention the identity towards RHS, towards your working column. Which identity you have applied, you have to show, children. Next, third question. It is 3x whole square. A square plus 4 minus a minus a plus b means b value is negative. 4 minus 5 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5. That is the thing what as 3x whole square is 9x square. 4 into minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. And 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. And the fourth identity is completely based on a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Y square whole square is y to the power 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. Am I clear, children?
Ma'am, we should solve all this with the help of identities, no ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Beginning itself it is mentioned. Solve by using identities. Last question is also based on a plus b into a minus b. 3 minus 2x. 3 plus 2x.
A square minus b square, ma'am.
Yes, a square minus b square. It is 3x.
9 minus 4x.
Square.
9 minus 4x square.
Yes, 9 minus 4x square. Next, I gave even second main also. Second main also, it is 103 into 107. It is 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Again, it is x plus a, x plus b form. Okay, don't multiply like a fourth or fifth standard students 103 into 107. Here they gave evaluate the following products without multiplying directly, or they may give by using identity also they'll give. Okay, children. So it is a square plus
this type of questions we did last year, no ma'am.
Yes, last year's only. I'm just reading. That's why I gave first and second main as a homework. It's just a recapitulation. Okay, children.
Okay,
so
ma'am.
Second main, first one 11021. And second one 9120. And third one 9984. I hope you
Second
all
one I took,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, second I took 90 plus 1, 90 plus 6.
That is also correct. Actually, usually we'll take 100 is
100
near.
minus 5, ma'am.
Multiplication will be very easy if you take 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, even you'll get same answer. If you take
Yes,
90
ma'am.
plus 5, 90 plus 6 also, you get same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yesterday's sum we discussed. Today, same thing. So children, we have learned a plus b, x plus a, x plus b we gave, and we got x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This form we got the answer. Now in the third main, we are giving RHS value, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square we will give. We unit to find out a plus b whole square. So reverse. Am I clear, children? Here see. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Am I clear, children? Appropriate identity. They did not mention which identity. You see, you have to observe and you have to apply here. See the first question here. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. You just observe the first term. What is the first term here?
9. X square, ma'am.
9x square. So 9 is a perfect square of which number?
3.
3. I can write 9x square as 3x whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
And y square as y whole square. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
9x square I am written as 3x whole square. Then last one, y square. I got a value, I got b value. Check in the middle term. 2, a value 3x, b value y. Are we getting 6xy?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First term and last term, write in the form of a square plus b square. If it is a perfect square. So 9 is a perfect square. I've just written in the form of 3x whole square. Y square is also perfect square. I just write y whole square. You just check in the middle term 2ab. I got a value, I got b value. Check in the middle term ab value 2, a value 3x, b value y. So if I'm getting 6xy, this expansion will be in the form of a plus b whole square form. So I can write a value 3x and b value y means this is nothing but as 3x plus y whole square. Any doubt in this one? Till now we have learned LHS to RHS. Now we are learning RHS to LHS. So before I used to give 3x plus y into 3x plus y to get the quadratic polynomial. Now I am giving identity by 3x plus y whole algebraic quadratic polynomial we are giving. We need to find out the 3x plus the whole square form. So before we used to give LHS, we used to get RHS. Now we are giving RHS. We have to find out LHS.
Ma'am, like only before you are only giving like two expression, now only one, ma'am.
Ajay, I did not get you, Ajay. Okay.
Ma'am, like you gave an example, no, ma'am. Like you gave 3x plus 5, and then on the other side the bracket.
That is the factorization, different x plus a, x plus b form. I'll come to that also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Second question. See, 4y square is a 4 is a perfect square of which number?
2.
4y square in the form of 2y whole square, and 1 square is 1 only. Am I clear, children? See here. Form of 2y whole square and 1 square. We check in the middle part because since it is minus 4y, I'll check it as minus 2ab. Minus 2, a value I'll write 2y, b value I'll write 1. So I'll check in the middle value. 2 2s are 4y into 1 is 4y. I'm getting here, once I apply a and b value in the middle term, I'm getting exactly minus 4y. So I can understand, so here I can apply a minus b whole square. So a value is 2y, b value is 1. So this is nothing but as 2y minus 1 whole square. Any doubt in this sum, children?
No, ma'am.
Next, third question, x square minus y square by 100. I know that x whole square and even 100 is a perfect square. So I'll write y square by 100 in the form of y by 10 whole square. So now I got this in the yes, b square. Here a value is x and b value is y by 10. So a square and b square is equals to a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. In the multiplication, even if interchange also, value will not change. Any doubt in this sum, children? B into A plus B. Here A value is X, B value is Y plus 10. Am I clear? Third main, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on to fourth main?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
we'll see fourth main. It's based on the fifth identity. What is the fifth identity? Anybody practice identities?
A square plus B square plus C square.
Ma'am,
A plus B plus
B plus C whole square.
plus C whole square.
Yes, A plus B plus C whole square is equals to
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC.
no. Turn, you skipped one. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC
2AB
plus 2CA.
2CA.
Yes. Now I'm going to do sums based on this fifth identity. In this, I'm going to explain fourth main. Here in the fourth main, they gave A plus B plus C whole square. This type of question they gave. We used to find out RHS value. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Next main, they'll give RHS. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA value they'll give. We used to find out the LHS value. Am I clear, children? So whenever I'm explaining, everyone should be thorough with the identities, children. If you know the identity, it will be easy for you to apply in the sums. Here in this question, in this main, fourth main, there are 6 questions are there. Am I clear, children? So out of 6, I'll explain. 6 questions are there. In that 6 questions, 4 I'll explain in the class. 2 I'm giving as a homework. Am I clear, children? 4th and 5th I'll give as a homework. 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 6th one I'll explain in the class. Am I clear? Okay. Let's see first one. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is nothing but as A plus B plus C whole square. In the place of A, X is there. In the place of B, 2y is there. In the place of C, 4z is there. We'll apply this identity. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
We'll apply in the place of identity. Okay, first question. Here I'll apply the identity here. This identity A plus B whole square is equals to A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. In the place of A, X is there. In the place of B, 2Y is there. In the place of C, 4Z is there. I'll just apply. A square means X square. B square means 2Y whole square. C square means 4Z whole square. Am I clear, children? Next, 2AB. 2, A value is X, B value is 2Y. 2BC, 2 value is, B value is 2Y, C value is 4Z. 2CA, 2, C value is 4Z, A value is X. Just I applied A value, B value, C value in the identity. That's it. Any doubt in this step? Okay. Next, X square, 2Y whole square is whole square. This whole square in the sense that square is for both 2 and Y. So 2 square is 4 at Y square. Same thing, 4Z whole square. 4 square is 16 and Z square. Plus here 2 2s are 4, X into Y, XY. Plus 2 2s are, first you multiply number. First you multiply the number, then you multiply the variable. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Here Y into Z, YZ. Here last term, 2 4s are 8, Z into X, ZX. That's all your answer. Any doubt in this, children?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next one?
Ma'am.
Here again, same identity. A plus B plus C whole square. In the place of A, what they gave? 2x. In the place of B?
Y.
Y minus
Minus y.
Yes. In the place of C?
Z.
Z.
Z. Shall we apply these things in the formula? Minus y, we'll write in the form minus bracket we'll put. A value is 2x, B value is minus y, and C value is z.
Z.
Okay, we'll apply
Yes,
the
ma'am.
identity. A square means 2x whole square. B square, that is minus y whole square. Plus C square, z square. 2ab, 2 value, A value 2x, B value minus y. Plus 2bc, 2, B value minus y, C value z. 2ca, 2, C value z, A value 2x. Just apply it in the value in the identity. Next, 2x whole square. 2 square is 4 and x square. Minus y whole square. Since the negative value power is even, we'll get positive. Am I clear, children? Minus y into minus y, minus into minus plus y into y, y square. See, the power is even. Whenever you are getting negative number to the power even, we'll get positive square. Then z square is z square. Then we'll check 2ab. Here negative sign is there. First you multiply sign. Minus into plus, minus. 2 2s are 4, xy. Any doubt in this one? Fourth term. Next, fifth term. Negative sign is there. Plus into minus, minus 2yz. Here all are positive terms. 2 2s are 4, zx. Any doubt in second question, children?
No, ma'am.
Oh, mom.
Okay. Same thing, third one. That's why I gave these 2 questions homework, children. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here in this question, A value is minus 2x, B value is 3y, and C value is plus 2z. Am I clear? So here, A plus B plus C whole square is A plus B plus C whole square identity. I just apply in the place of A, I'll put minus 2x. In the place of B, I'll put 3y. In the place of C, I'll put 2z. So here, minus 2x whole square. Minus 2 is a negative value. Just now I said, negative number to the power even means your power will be positive. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 and x square. 4x square. Then 3 square is 9 and then y square. Then again 2 square is 4 and z whole square is z square. Now come to the fourth term. Here a negative sign is there. Plus into minus, minus. First I'll multiply the sign. Then I'll multiply the number. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. X into y, xy. Plus into minus, minus. Then multiply the number. Constant terms. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Next multiply the variable. X into y, y. Same thing in the fifth term. First I'll multiply and all are positive. So here plus. Next we need to multiply the constants. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Next last term. There is a negative sign. Plus into minus, minus. Then I'll multiply constants. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Then variable z into x, zx. Any doubt here, children?
No, ma'am.
Next, fourth question. Fourth question. Again, here is the place of A. It is 1 by 4A. In the place of B, it is 1 by 2B. In the place of C, it is only 1. So we'll apply the identity. So 1 by 4 whole square is 1 by 16 A square. Minus 1 by 2 B whole square is, so minus whole square means plus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 and B square. 1 square is 1. Now come to the fourth term. Here 2 is there. I'll cancel 2 on this 2 or this 2 and 4. Anything you can cancel here. because since 2 into 1 by 4 a into minus 1 by 2. First I'll multiply sign. Plus into minus, I'll put minus. Then 2 on 2 will get 2 and 4 will cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Then a into b. I'll repeat again. Either you cancel 2 and 4 or this 2 and this 2 you can cancel. Then 1 by 4 will remain. Then multiply the variable a into b. Here this term 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then plus into minus minus 1 into b is only b will remain. Last term 2 ones are 2 twos are. So answer 1 by 2 we got and a. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So next term
No,
is,
ma'am.
see, as I said, in this fourth main, I'll give 2 homework questions, children. So fifth main you see here. Here they gave RHS value. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA they gave.
Ma'am,
They did not mention. Yes, Charan?
Ma'am, the same thing, but RHS value, no, ma'am.
Yes. RHS they give. We need to find out LHS now.
Factorizing.
But here one small confusion is there. See here you can't even identify A plus B plus C, all three are positive. But if entire term is positive, there's no problem. But here see 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Here some terms are negative is there. Either A or B or C, negative is there. Am I clear? I'll just say how to identify which one is negative here. Am I clear? You just see in this four terms, which two terms are negative? The last two, 24yz and 16xz. In this 24yz and 16xz, which variable is common in these two?
Z, ma'am.
Z is common. Am I clear, children? Here I am explaining. So which term, which A, either A or B or C, which is negative, I am explaining here. Because if all are positive, there's no problem. Directly I'll write A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. But here some two terms are negative. So now I need to find out which variable, either A or B or C, something is negative here. That we need to find out. So here, if I compare the negative values, minus 24yz and minus 16xz, here Z, variable Z is common in both the terms. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
So from this I can think here Z value is negative. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
Please
ma'am.
check that. 4 is a perfect square. I'll write in the form of 2x whole square. 9 is a perfect square of 3. I'll write 3y whole square. I said here Z is common in the last two terms. I'll take minus 4z whole square. Am I clear? This step is very important. Anyone have doubt, please ask here itself. In the last two term, Z is common. So I'll say maybe Z is
Ma'am.
negative. Yes, Charan.
Ma'am, if only one term is negative,
You'll not get like that. Here xy, yz, zx is there, no? So you'll not get like that. One term is negative.
Okay.
Yeah, one term is only negative here. Negative here.
no, ma'am. The last in the answer question,
No,
ma'am.
you'll not get like that.
24. Okay,
You'll
ma'am.
not get like that, Charan. Okay.
Ma'am, you just exchange the signs, no, ma'am?
I did not exchange the sign, Shamgagan. Here you see the last two terms. Here I need to find out last negative has come. So once they get that the expansion negative is there, means you should think either A or B or C is negative. Okay. So now I need to find out which one is negative. So to find which one is negative, see in the last two term is negative. So which variable is common here? Z is common. So since Z is common here, so I think it is C value is negative. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now A square, B square, C square be clear. Just we'll apply here and we'll check whether we are getting the question or not. 2, A value I'll write 2x, B value I'll write 3y. We just multiplied. Are we getting plus 12xy? 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12xy we are getting. Then you just see 2bc. 2, b value is 3y. B value is 3y and c value is minus 4z. You multiply and see, plus into minus minus, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. We are getting negative minus 24yz, no? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes,
last time you check it, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, xz. We are getting exact value. So
Yes, ma'am.
I can say A, B, C values after applying we are getting same is, I can say this is in the form of A plus B plus C whole square. So here A value is 2x, B value is 3y and C value is minus 4z. So next step, I just multiply this minus to this one, plus into minus minus. So if you expand this one, you'll be getting this result, RHS. Am I clear, children? Anyone have doubt in the first sum?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in the first sum?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
If you have want to see, second question. First question, 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So we all three we got perfect square, so easily we have finished it, right? See, second question, 2 is not a perfect square and coefficient of y square is 1. That I can say 1 is a perfect square. 8 is not a perfect square, right? So A, B, C, only B I'm getting coefficient of y square is perfect square. But A and C, I did not get perfect square. Please check what we are getting, 2ABC, 2BCA. See, I got 2 root 2 xy, 4 root 2 yz and 8 xy xz. So from this, we need to think here A and C are in the form of root. Am I clear? So if I write, listen children, what is root 2 whole square?
2.
2. 2.
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
Yes. I'll just write it here. Root 2 whole square I'm getting is equals to 2. So in the place of 2, I can write root 2x whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? So same thing. 8 I can take it in the form of 2 root 2. I'll just take this as what is 2 root 2 whole square, children?
4.
4, ma'am.
4.
8.
8.
8, ma'am.
Yes.
8.
Here you see 2 square is 4 and root 2 whole square is 2. 4 2s are 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have doubt? So I am writing this 2 in the form of root 2x whole square. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this 8 also I wanted to write in the form of whole square. So I'll write 2 root 2 whole square in the place of 8. This is the changes I made. Am I clear this one?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next you see here these two terms are negative. Okay, all three terms are negative. So here all three terms are negative. First you compare with these two terms. Here xy and yz. Which is common here? Which
Y.
variable is
Y,
common?
Y.
Y.
So I should think here y is negative. Am I clear, children?
Yes.
Next, I'll check the last two terms. Which variable is common here?
Z.
So this means z is negative. Am I clear to everyone? See
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
the last three terms, fourth, fifth, and sixth terms, all three are negative. So when all three are negative, you first take first two term. So you see which variable is common. Y is common. So here we should think Y is negative. And the last two term you see, in this last two term, Z is common. So I should think Z is negative. Am I clear with this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Ma'am, then the first and last term?
See, first and last term is first and last term. See which is common? X is common.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
and last term, if you take X is common, Stuti, that
Ma'am,
time the
Brinda.
A value will be negative.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now we got to know that Y is negative and even C is also negative. So I'll just write root 2x whole square minus Y whole square and minus 2 root 2Z whole square. Yes, square is one. Any doubt, children, here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So once if I get A square plus B square plus C square, then 2AB you write, just match it. 2 plus into minus minus 2 root 2 xy we are getting here. See next one, minus 2 minus plus into, oh here something is wrong. 2 BC, yeah, correct.
Ma'am, at least
C
one
is
should be
root
plus,
has to come here.
ma'am.
C is
Minus
2 root
minus
2.
plus.
C value is 2 root 2 has to come. C value is 2 root 2. So this is nothing but as minus into minus. No, B value is 2BC. 2AB, 2BC.
Ma'am, plus.
Ma'am, it's fully confusing.
I'll just check.
That's
No
what
confusion here.
I thought I
Once we
was-
get ABC value, you are applying in 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. That's it. No confusion here.
Ma'am,
No confusion.
minus it will become plus, no, ma'am.
That's what here I'm just checking the question. This has become plus, I think. Minus BC. Minus to minus plus. This is plus. Then 2 2s are 4 root 2 YZ. And the last term 2CA. 2C value is 2 root 2 root 2x minus 2 root 2 z minus, okay, I think here it is plus.
Then it should be plus.
Yes, this is correct. Okay, am I clear, children? Any doubt now?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe I check the question with textbook, children. So once I got A, B, C value, so I write in the form of A plus B plus C whole square. Any doubt here?
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Plus in
Shreyank? Shreyank? Where is the doubt, Shreyank? Shreyank? Shreyank is telling he is having doubt. He has to say where is the doubt. So once again I'll repeat, you just check which number is common, that you have to make it negative and apply in the formula and find out. Am I clear, children? So next, sixth main, it is next sixth identity, A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus
Plus 3AB.
3AB into A plus B,
into
or
A
I
plus
can
B.
take it as here 3A square B plus 3AB square also I can take. Am I clear, children? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here I can take A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B also I can take. or I can take this 3ab, I can multiply to a plus b also I can take. If I multiply 3ab to a plus b, this become 3a square b plus 3ab square. That's the thing we'll get. We'll check the value, children. A value 2x, b value is 1. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 8th May I'll explain tomorrow. Up to 6th May I'll explain. Here,
The
a plus
question
b
was
whole
plus, ma'am.
in the place of
Fifth
a, put 2x. In the place of b, put 1. So a cube plus 3a square b. So this term I return to the middle. Plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So 2a cube means here 2 cube is 8 and x cube plus here a square 2x whole square means 4x square into 3 is 4 is a 12x square into 3 2 is a 6x and 1 cube
6x,
is
ma'am.
1.
Yes, ma'am.
Just apply a value, b value in the form, in the a plus b whole cube formula, you will get this result. It is not compulsory. You need to take only a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can apply here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b and you can multiply. You will get the same result. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Shreyan, doubt is clear now. Even here in the 6th main, there are 4 questions are there. First, second, third, and fourth. Here, second and third I gave as homework. This is just application of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. See second one, a place x is there, b place 2 by 3 y is there. Just apply in the formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus y cube minus b cube. A minus b whole cube. A cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Just write in the expanded form. Apply the value and multiply.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you see a cube means here x cube and
X cube,
minus
ma'am.
3a square b. X square 3x square and here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2x square y will remain. Even this also, this is whole square. 2 square 4 by 9 you will get. So 3 and 9 you cancel. 3 ones are 3 threes are. This become 4 by 9 xy square. Here 2 by 3 whole cube is 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27 y cube. Am I clear, children? And the 7th main, I have done the answers, but remaining sums you need to do it. 99 we can write in the form of 100 minus
100
1
minus-
whole cube. So then you apply a minus b whole cube formula. 102 whole cube means which one you are going to apply here?
Ma'am, 100 plus
100
2 whole
plus
cube,
2.
ma'am.
So which identity?
Ma'am,
A
A
plus
plus
B.
b whole cube.
A plus b whole cube. So that you apply in the place of a, put 100, b you put 2 and just find the value.
Ma'am, it is
A-
like a cube plus 3ab plus b cube, no, ma'am.
Yes, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This one, a cube
Ma'am, why
minus
a plus b, ma'am?
b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Am I clear, children? So up to 7 question I finished today. Do anyone
Yes, ma'am.
have any doubt, children? So in this one, even if you know the identity, this will be easy for you to solve and easy for you to score the marks.
Ma'am, how
And
many
if one
identities
style
are there?
mistake, one identity, if you get confused also, the entire answer will become wrong.
Ma'am, overall, how much identities are there, ma'am?
8.
Now 8 are there. Then with the sum, 3 more identity I am going to explain. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
A cube plus
Okay,
b
ma'am.
cube, a cube minus b cube, and for the based on 8th identity, conditional identity is there. Total 11 are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Children,